Making some baked pumpkin oatmeal this morning. It's Labor Day. Titus and Tyler are getting ready to go on a ride. He's out there saddling up the horses. Looks like we're going to have a pretty one for Labor Day. The sun is shining out there. The skies are blue. Slightly cool this morning. So I got all my ingredients out. We're just going to use this bowl, mix everything up, and get this in the oven. We'll start with the canned pumpkin. We don't need quite this whole can, so I'm going to scoop a little bit of that out of there. Take about a half a cup out. There we go. We need 2 eggs. We'll break these up. Roosty's excited about this day. He's been crowing non-stop out there. It's one of his continuous crow mornings. He doesn't do that all the time. Sometimes he'll only crow like 1 or 2 times and that's it for that morning, but there are some mornings he's really excited and today is one of them. Next we'll add the brown sugar. We need 3/4 of a cup. We need a teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt, three-fourths of a teaspoon of ground ginger, one and a half teaspoons of cinnamon, a 1/4 teaspoon of allspice. Okay, we'll mix all that in. Oh, and that's where it starts smelling like fall right there, y'all. We're going to pour in 4 tablespoons of melted butter, 1 1/4 of a cup of milk, okay, a teaspoon of maple syrup, the last thing we need is 3 cups of old-fashioned oats. Alright, it's going in the oven at 350 for 35 to 40 minutes. Baked oatmeal. Pour a little milk or cream over the top.
It is so good.
Is it?
Yeah.
Sissy's already tasting it back there. Let's see what we got. She's right. It is so good. That's one of those you can't stop eating at oatmeals right there. It's great.
See those bubbles?
Yeah. Was it Ernest T?
Yeah.
Man, I miss him every time. Okay, y'all, the time is now. I think it's about 3:45. I can't see that far away. Yeah, about 3:45. I'm waiting on Titus and Tyler to get back from riding horses, and then we're gonna figure out what we're gonna do for supper. The original plan was to cook out because it's Labor Day, but then it's gonna end up just being me, Titus, Jonah, and Manly here. We might end up going somewhere, or we might just do some hot dogs. I was just sitting here looking at this fall baking magazine. It's Country Living one. This is an apple cider donut bundt cake, which we will be making. I keep feeling like today is Saturday, and I was like, ooh, I can make this cake for Sunday dessert tomorrow. And then I was like, wait, that was yesterday. It feels like a Saturday because no school, Titus is off work, it's just messing me up. I'm not gonna know what day it is the rest of the week. I had some autumn jazz playing with this little cabin scene, but every now and then this TV pauses if you don't change it in like, I don't know how long, but if you wait a long time before changing it, it freezes up on you and asks you, video pause to continue watching. Like, do you want to keep on watching it? And I mean, me, I'm thinking if I didn't want to watch it, I would turn it or turn it off, you know? Why ask me, TV? Because now I can't find the remote, and so I can't continue the relaxing jazz while I'm looking at my fall baking magazine. I have no idea what we did with that remote. Somebody grabbed it. I've been cleaning. I went outside and cleaned the chicken pen and everything. And then I cleaned up in here, cleaned the windows, swept off the porches. When I'm cleaning sometimes, I will pick something up and put it somewhere and not even remember where I put it. And I'm thinking that's what happened with the remote. See if it's in the refrigerator. Maybe somebody, you know, accidentally put it in the refrigerator or the freezer. Miss Turkey is on the porch. Hey girls, please no using the restroom on the porch. Thank you. Okay, nothing to see here. Move along. Okay, good. They're going off. I bet Miss Turkey's standing at the front door looking in. Oh, yeah. She nosy like that. Yep. What are you doing, Miss Turkey? Back to the search for the remote. Where else could it be? It was in the drawer at the table where you come in the front door. I'm telling y'all, I was probably cleaning, and I bet I put it in there. I do things like that. Ooh, it smells good. Smell it. We got pumpkin spice, little air freshener in that drawer. Smell pumpkin-y. Great, now we can continue our autumn jazz.
You want to know how water gets in black clouds?
Oh, yeah, we see some black clouds coming, don't we?
Yeah.
How's it get in there?
Water gets in clouds because the black clouds pick the water up. And literally when it gets too full, it actually rains out it.
Yeah.
That's what happens.
Okay.
Then you see those black clouds?
Yeah.
That's rain. Well, they ain't coming out yet.
Mm-hmm. How long do you think it'll be before it starts coming out?
When it gets here, it's gonna rain. When it gets here, it's not gonna rain.
Okay. There's Dixie. We got the, what do they call them?
I'm not sure.
Some kind of wings.
What kind of sauce is this right?
That's buffalo, and this is ranch.
Classics.
Buffalo and ranch, yeah, classics.
Are they slippery?
Is it good?
Oh.
Is it spicy?
Delicious.
These are kind of like the ones at Guy's restaurant. They're great. Manny Mac, how did you know about this ring?
Because I'm smart.
Yeah.